Hey guys, I'm Tim. In previous video, we have talked about NIO battery swap station. Today, let's go to NIO House together. For those of you who don't know what NIO House is, let me put it this way, alright? NIO House, it's a NIO vehicle showroom, plus a private luxury lounge open exclusively for NIO owners. It's a bit more like airlines premium lounge in major airports. Well, you see, since beginning, NIO has established itself as a premium lifestyle brand rather than just an auto brand. So, aside from selling electric vehicles, NIO has successfully built up a big online community for NIOers. Alright? So, NIO House, it's a place they can meet offline for social events and so much more. So here comes my favorite color on ES6. When you sit in an ES6, it definitely gives you the premium feeling. No matter where you look or you touch, it's all wrapped by leather. Well, Chinese customer digs that. Hey, here comes the fun part. NIO has its own radio station where you can listen to news updates, NIO House event broadcast, brand and product related informations. Most importantly, it is a vocal community for NIOers. Also, when your vehicle is at stationary, you can watch movies from the pre-installed apps. Imagine when you're charging your vehicle, right? You can just sit there, relax, and watch movies until the charging is done. Okay guys, now let's go to the second floor. This space is open exclusively for NIO owners. First, this is a library. NIO has a good collection of books which you can borrow for free. Then this is the presentation hall. NIOers can book this space with NIO points. It has a big projector, so you can meet your business partner, give presentation, have Zoom meetings with your team, or use it as your regular meeting or event space. Now let's order drinks at the mini bar. NIO House provides very good coffee, tea, or other beverages and treats. Different NIO House in different city has their unique city-themed drinks for different seasons. Well, I think they're under competition. Today we're having a durian flavored drink, just out of curiosity. Okay, this drink not only looks good, but it tastes so yummy. So here's a collection of NIO merchandise right here. You can order them online from your NIO app, or you can come to the store and buy it directly. Okay, now this is the kids area. Well, as mentioned earlier, most NIO House open in big shopping center. But what if you bought your kids, then you decided you want to concentrate on shopping? Well, now NIOers can leave their kids at NIO House, and there are NIO House specialists to take care of your kids, and they are pretty professional. Okay guys, we have seen enough NIO House today. Well, I guess my point is NIO is not your traditional auto brand. In order to fully understand the brand, you have to not only look at the product, but also the entire premium experience of ownership. Well, in next episode, let's look back on their product. Let's test drive the very first product, NIO ES8. See how the car evolves in 2 years, merely on the software update. Alright? Again guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for the poor shooting quality.